Joseph Robin Nat Biden Jr. Joseph Robin Nat Biden Jr. was born on November 20th, 1942 in Scranton, Pennsylvania, USA. His father's name was Joseph Robin Nat Biden Sr. and his mom's name was Catherine Eugenia Finnegan. Joe Biden is the President-elect of the United States of America. Joe Biden became the 46th President of America. On 20th January 2020, Joe Biden is the oldest person who elected for White House. Biden was born and raised in Scranton, Pennsylvania, moving with his family to New Castle County, Delaware in 1953 when he was 10. He studied at the University of Delaware before earning his law degree from Syracuse University in 1968. He was elected to the New Castle County Council in 1970 and became the sixth youngest senator in U.S. history. After he was elected to the United States Senate from Delaware in 1972 at the age of 29, Biden was the chair or ranking member of the Senate Foreign Relations for 12 years and was influential in foreign affairs during Obama's presidency. He also chaired the Senate Judiciary Committee from 1987 to 1995, dealing with drug policy, crime prevention, and civil liberties issues, led the efforts to pass the Violent Crime Control and Law Enforcement Act and the Violence Against Women Act, and oversaw 6 U.S. Supreme Court confirmation hearings, including the contentious hearings for Robert Bork and Clarence Thomas. He ran unsuccessfully for the Democratic presidential nomination in 1988 and 2008. Biden was re-elected to the Senate 6 times and was the fourth most senior sitting senator at the time when he became Obama's vice president after they won the 2008 presidential election, defeating John McCain and his running mate Sarah Palin. Obama and Biden was re-elected in 2012, defeating Mitt Romney and his running mate Paul Ryan. During 8 years as vice president, Biden learned on his Senate experience and frequently represented administration in negotiations with congressional Republicans, including on the Budget Control Act of 2012, which resolved a debt ceiling crisis, and the American Taxpayer Relief Act of 2012, which addressed the impending fiscal cliff. He also oversaw infrastructure spending in 2009 to counteract the Great Recession. On foreign policy, Biden was a close conclusion to the president and took a leading role in designing the withdrawal of U.S. troops from Iraq in 2011. In 2017, Obama awarded Biden the Presidential Medal of Freedom with distinction. Biden and his running mate Kamala Harris defeated incumbent President Donald Trump and his Vice President Mike Pence in 2020 presidential election. Biden is the oldest president, the first to have female vice president, the first from Delaware, and the second Catholic after John Kennedy. His early presidential activity centered around proposing lobbying for the signing into the law the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021. To help the United States recover from the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing recession, as well as a series of executive orders. Biden's order addressed the pandemic and resolved several Trump administration policies, including rejoining the Paris Agreement on climate change and accepting new applications for deferred action for childhood arrivals recipients, although a federal judge blocked the latter. Biden completed the withdrawal of all U.S. troops from Afghanistan by September 2021. During this, the Afghan government fell and Taliban seized control, causing Biden to face criticism over the manner of withdrawal with the allegations of poor planning. Biden proposed the Build Back Better plan, aspects of which were incorporated into the Bipartisan Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, which Biden signed into the law in November 2021. Joe Biden's father is a car salesman who also cleans the furnaces for extra income, and his mother is a housewife. Joe Biden belongs to a middle-class family. In his college days, he would like to play football with boys. In University of Delaware, he studied political science and history and played football in university. He is good player in football. He also selected in Delaware football team. During his education, he fell in love with Nelia Hunter. After 2 years of relationship in college, he married to Nelia Hunter. August 26, 1966. The couple have 2 sons and 1 daughter. A devastating tragedy makes young man sad. In 1972, Nelia Hunter with his daughter died in a tragic road accident. The next 2 years is very difficult for Joe Biden because he is single parent of 2 boys and now he has more responsibility of his boys on his shoulders. Over the few years, he established himself as an ambitious and hard-working politician. In 1975, Biden married Jill Tracy Jacob, which gives Biden new meaning of life. This couple have 1 daughter. Tragedy makes Joe Biden sad when his son died due to brain cancer, 30 and 2015. Joe Biden sad.